Everybody, back here with Galaga. We're in friend's garage, garage, potato patata. I always get bugged on how I say the word garage. Who knows? So there you go. Tease me if you like, but here we are in the garage, and we are again back with the Galaga game. We're going to start diagnosing it, taking it apart. Actually, we're not going to run the game as far as diagnosing. We're going to strip it down and then start repairing as we go. Some of the power supply, the control panel, I've noticed, and monitor. We're gonna recap that, and we're just about to remove that actually. And just give me a second. I'll turn this camera around. There we go. There is the bad boy. Pretty colorful still, not too bad. Took the bezel out, as you can see. It's on the table here. Not bad. I don't think I'm going to replace that. Still got to clean everything up. This control panel is intact. I thought I wasn't going to do much to it, but I did remove it and notice a few things. Yes, it's tore up from usage on the edge here, but if you notice, maybe in the camera, there's a big bend here. So if we put it on its side, you'll notice it's quite bent, a pretty good warp to it. So once I take all the components off, straighten that plate out, we'll end up probably doing a new panel overlay on that. Have to get that ordered. But that's not too bad. The buttons seem to be pretty good. These are just your traditional leaf switch type buttons. This one here I bent, so it's operating better, but still needs cleaned up. You can see where somebody tried to repair it here, and there's a couple of those on this game where it's kind of a makeshift repair, but it's not too bad. I'm just going to pull this monitor out. I got to pull the name and model off it so I can order some parts for it. Definitely going to order a new power supply. This one here, you can tell, but I'll move the light. We'll get that fixed up. Might be able to tell there's a bit of smoke damage here. So it looks like stuff was getting too hot. Right here. This fuse is gone. Burnt area here. There's also some kind of smoke from that heat sink. So somebody jerry-rigged this wiring too, because this got fried. So to be safe, we'll put in a modern power supply. It's going to be better anyway. But to back up here, I'll pause it and I'll yank this monitor out and we'll take a good look at it. Just before we pull the monitor out, I'm going to take this tinted lens off here. There was 4 screws and clips. A bit of a interior bezel here. That removed. It's filthy. Hang on 1 second. Go there. Come around. Now there should be nothing in our way to pull this monitor out. Almost made a boo-boo here. I was taking these screws out when I didn't need to. Actually, these outer ones, I needed to, and nothing happened. Put the screws back in. Actually, only I had one out, but this is free to move now. We'll pull it straight out. It's totally disconnected. There was no board in here, so any monitor wires, the high voltage is disconnected and marked. I think that's it. That's all there is. There was a ground that's already disconnected as well. But Okay, I'm gonna yank this out. I need 2 hands, so stand by. Okay, we have successfully yanked that out. Gingerly removed it. No yanking was involved there. She's pretty delicate, and this is the first time for me. So bear with me as I go through this project. It's a lot of fun. A few mistakes, but that's all right. It's a project. We're all learning here. So turn it around. Thing's a little heavy. There we go. So just looking at the front, there's not too, I can't see a burn in the front of the screen. So that's good. There might be one there. I just can't detect it right now. But just going through some inspection here, you know. Like we used to say in the trades, you know, I just know enough. As soon as you become an apprentice and start learning, teacher warned you, just know enough to be dangerous. So that's at my stage now. So I actually have to just make sure as I carry on. There is some high voltage actually stored in these tubes, and that'll have to discharge that later. And we'll show you how to do that, and that'll be the first time, just to make sure. But this thing has been sitting so long, I don't think there's anything to worry about. But, yeah, excited to get into it. Lots to learn, but it's going to be fun. We'll take you for a ride, and looking forward to the end product. And we'll all be proud and playing a brand new restored Galaga game. Alright, it's getting late tonight, so I'm going to shut her down. I'm just going to inspect the monitor for its brand and model, and then get some parts ordered for it and give it a whole new kit, as I say, for it. Alright, we will see you later as the Galaga saga continues. Alright, take care.